Match replacement roof shingles to existing ones by using a sample, lighting checks, and manufacturer identification to get the closest color and texture match possible. Start by removing a full, intact shingle from near the damaged area and keep it flat and clean for comparison. Compare that sample outdoors under natural light against candidate shingles at the store and on a neutral background to avoid indoor lighting and store display filters that distort color. Note the shingle profile, including granule size, color blend patterns, and the shingle tab shape, because two shingles of the same color can read very different when texture differs. Record any manufacturer codes stamped on the old shingle or check the attic for leftover bundles that might include the product name. When exact match is not available, choose a complementary shade within one tonal range, lighter or darker, so weathering blends, and plan to replace adjacent shingles in a small area if the mismatch remains obvious. For larger repairs, consider ordering from the same manufacturer and product line using roof measurements and bundle counts to minimize visible transitions. Homeowners often think a color swatch under indoor lighting will be accurate, which leads to buying the wrong shade, so always check samples outside in the afternoon sun. Another common issue is ignoring the shingle profile and selecting a different granule texture, which solves by matching the tab shape and feeling granule coarseness by touch at the store. A third mistake is assuming older shingles have the same coating as current production, so when an exact match is impossible, replace a contiguous section or stagger new bundles across the roof to accelerate blending over time. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work on projects like shingle matching and small roof repairs. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange photos, tips, and real-world matching experiences to guide better repair choices.